It's actually in auto mode right now, but you can remote control it. As you can see the camera feed through the app on your phone. You can remote control it if you hit stop, bring up the digital controls.
Is that a new model?
Yeah, it's a second generation. It's actually a prototype. It's not out here yet.
What will the model be called? What's the model name?
It's actually called the HOM-BOT Square Turbo Plus.
What are some of the good features on the new one?
It's Wi-Fi and NFC enabled, so it is a smart device. Basically what you can do is you download the app on your phone, and you can, obviously, as you've already seen, you can remote control it and whatnot. But you can also, there's a security setting you can activate called the Home Guard. You could say if you're leaving on vacation, you can set this up near like your front door, and if it senses any motion, it will actually send still pictures to your camera or to your phone. It's also with the NFC technology. It's nice because it's a way they can constantly update the machine with software updates. When LG comes out with new modes, new options, you would download it via the app, then put it on the HOM-BOT. Whenever the battery gets low enough, it'll actually take itself home to be charged, or you can tell it to, which it's running pretty low right now.